This one, I think I wrote the end of last summer, so it's kind of about you know, it's a little bit of that carpe diem idea without we try to avoid too much of the cliche, but it has a little bit of that going on, and just a little bit of like the frustration with I feel like we can never really like soak in the very moment that we're in. You know what I mean? We're always like focused on something else, whatever like we got to do or whatever's coming next. You know?
Right. Yeah.
So that's kind of what this song's about. It's kind of like just kind of trying to get the most out of where you are at that moment, and just maybe for every once in a while forget about everything around you. Just enjoy, like let's enjoy that we're sitting here right now. You know, and not be worried about we got to perform a little bit, that kind of thing. So
cool.
It's kind of it. Awesome. Okay. All right. Cool. So we'll get going.
Of a song, I still hear pieces of them. They fit together like this. I feel the rain before it hits my skin. The seasons change before I welcome them. Born in the silence between these thoughts, the loudest voices scream. You are, barely a flash of light. You are, the moment of a moment's time. You are, promise only now. Won't walk home. And I'm really moments. My mind's never really there, and I pray for clarity, but I find it filtered through my tears. And in this silence, there's a sign for me as I fight to feel some symmetry. I pray a prayer, I pray you'll hear. Please get me there, or get me near, because I feel the rain before it hits my skin. The seasons change before I welcome them. Born in the silence between these thoughts, the loudest voices scream. You are, barely a flash of light. You are, the moment of a moment's time. You are, promised only now. Whoa. Change begins. Born in the silence between these thoughts, the loudest voices will scream. You are, barely a flash of light. You are, a moment of a moment's time. You are, barely a flash of light. You are, a moment of a moment's time. You are, barely a flash of light. And you are, promised only that.
Awesome.
Awesome. Very cool.
Yeah, it was really cool.
Thanks, guys.
Awesome. Well, once again, this is Street Sounds Recording Studio. Do you guys have any final things you want to say?
I guess just thanks for having us. We appreciate it, and hopefully we'll see some of the students out at the show at 9. And if you guys like what you hear, we definitely appreciate you checking us out online. And maybe following up. Hopefully we'll see some people out there from it. So
Yeah, visit the MySpace.
Definitely. Cool. Well, this is Street Sounds Recording Studio at the University of Dayton in Ohio. Thanks for listening, guys.
Thanks.
thank you.